Good evening and welcome to the Daily Market Update. The DSEX slipped back to the red zone today as it lost 27.00 points or 0.50% and settled at 5,328 points. Market turnover was 5.06 billion Bangladeshi takas, which is a decrease of 12.21% compared to the previous trading day. Grameenphone, Rabi Axiata and Bangladesh submarine cables from the telecommunication sector, Islami Bank, BRAC Bank and Prime Bank from the banking sector, and GPH Ispat, Berzer Paints, Bangladesh and BSRM Steels from the industrial sector mainly dragged the market down today. In terms of sector-wise return, the fuel and power sector posted the highest gain of 0.90%, while the IT sector registered the second highest gain of 0.87%. On the other hand, the telecommunication sector posted the highest loss of 1.41%. 7 industrial companies were among the top 20 losers today. Stylecraft Limited, Prime Finance, First Mutual Fund and Summit Alliance Port registered the highest gain, while Western Marine Shipyard, Best Holdings Limited and Renwick Jagdishwar and Company (BD) were the top losers today. Stylecraft Limited and Summit Alliance Port experienced a significant surge in share price today following its Q1 earnings report release, where it reported a 102% and 122% higher EPS for 2024 compared to 2023 respectively. This positive earnings growth likely fueled investor expectations and prompted the rise in share price. Best Holdings Limited also experienced a significant decline in their share prices today following its Q1 earnings report release, where it reported a negative 97% EPS growth. There is no publicly disclosed price-sensitive information for the price change of the remaining stocks. The trading volume of City General Insurance, GBB Power, and Amman Cotton Fibers Limited increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. GBB Power and Amman Cotton Fibers Limited experienced a significant surge in trading activity today following its Q1 financial circulation, where it reported a positive 113% and 700% EPS growth respectively. This stronger earnings performance likely fueled increased investor interest and trading volume. There is no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase of the remaining stocks. Top 2 news today: the call money rate has surged past 10% on average, hitting one of the highest levels in years, with rates ranging from 9.8% to 11% in recent transactions. This rise reflects growing liquidity pressures, fueled by banks prioritizing government treasuries for higher risk-free returns amid tightening monetary policies by the central bank, with the policy rate at 10% and the standing lending facility rate raised to 11.5%. Borrowing costs have cascaded, pushing lending rates in many banks to 15 to 16%, creating challenges for businesses facing higher production costs. Inflation, rising to 10.87% in October, also continues to strain liquidity and exacerbate borrowing challenges for the economy. The interim government has started weekly $10 million United States dollars payments to Adani Power to settle $850 million United States dollars in outstanding electricity bills. The Bangladesh Power Development Board, BPDB, confirmed payments in November, with plans to clear the backlog in the coming months. Adani Power, which supplies electricity under a 2015 deal, has cut daily output to 600 to 700 megawatts from 1,500 megawatts due to the arrears. The Finance Ministry has instructed Bangladesh Krishi Bank to facilitate payments, while officials expect the payment crisis to ease soon. That's all for today. Thank you.